Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or insert analytics icons in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the icons of Microsoft Word file. So here I have opened before. So in this page we will set or insert this. So first of all we will click the insert options. So here the icons options is clicked, then the analytics options is here, so click here. See, the analytics is present here. So if we click one, then press insert, see the analytical options or analytical icons is present here. So in this way we can increase or decrease the size, or also we can move with text wrapped from here to here. This we can move it easily. So in this way we can add also another or different analytical icons. So if we within a moment or within at once time, so click here, here as well as here, this according to our project or according to our task we can insert. So 6 options or 6 icons we click or mark, then we will press the insert. See the 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, the 6 icons is presenting here. So in this way we can do this. Also the icons has been filled the different color. See, in this way we can change the color. See the color as well as the graphics outline. See, with fully decorated way we can outline or these things if we mark. See, the outline is here. Also we can set the effects of graphics analytics icons. This there have lots of options is presenting here. So in this way we will do or insert or set analytics icons here. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much. Please subscribe this channel.